Hey everyone, in this quick guide, I'm going to walk you through how to reclassify batch transactions in QuickBooks, the 2026 layout. It's super handy if you need to clean up messy books or, just fix categories fast. So first up, let's get to the actual reclassify tool. On the left menu, head over to Accounting, then click Chart of Accounts. Yeah, from here, you'll see a link called Reclassify. Go ahead and open that. Next, set the date range of the transactions you want to clean up. This keeps you from digging through everything at once. Just adjust the filters at the top. Now, on the left side, choose the account or the class you need to fix. QuickBooks will list every transaction tied to that selection. It updates instantly, so yeah, super simple. All right, now check the boxes for the transactions you want to reclassify. You can select one or select like everything in that list. Totally up to you. Once you've got everything checked, look to the right side for the batch actions. Choose whether you're changing the category, the class, or both. Pick the new one from the dropdown and hit Apply. QuickBooks updates them all at once. After that, give it a quick review. Refresh the page or reopen the account to make sure the reclass worked the way you wanted. It's always worth that tiny double check. And that's it. Reclassifying batch transactions in QuickBooks is honestly way faster than doing them one by one. Hope this helped. Feel free to jump into another video whenever you're ready.